Q-U-I-N-N-O-P Q-R-S-T-U-V W-X-Y-and-Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Greetings and give a gentle shake, parents. Yay! Good job, everybody. Say ta-da! Isabel, please say cheese. Isabel, Isabel, cheese. Cheese. Very good. All right, are you guys ready to put the parachute away? Can you go give mommy or daddy a big hug and a big kiss? Maybe.
May.
Perfectly. Can you tell where I am? Yay. All right, are you guys ready to go play? Anywhere you want to go. Are you ready? It's time to go explore today, explore today, explore today. It's time to go explore today at the little gym. All right, you guys have fun?
Get out of the way, Mommy.
Excuse me. Let's get Daddy. You ready? We're gonna get him. You ready? Go up, 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 up.
Look at her go, look at her go.
Peekaboo! You're already showing up for ta-da. You're still up there. Good job, Miss Isla. Very nice, princess. Thank you for showing everybody.
You did that all by yourself. That's such a good job.
Big girl, Isla.
You did it all by yourself.
Again, please. Ta-da!
She picked him today, I guess. I said, I guess she picked him today.
He's like, oh no, I don't know.
That's cute though. That's good.
Can you take one to me?
Well, she caught it.
I like those leg ones.
Isla.
She's so funny.
Where'd you go, Isla?
She's not there, huh?
bunch of people from Africa.